Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert page breaks on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, it could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, go here to the URL section, just type Google Docs, hit the enter button, that will take you into this page. From here, click at the first link, make sure not an ad or advertisement. You'll notice that by an AD icon here on the left of your link, and that should take you into this page. If you're not at this page, make sure to go and look for other links. Unless you are at this page, that will be even much better. But if you are at this page, you will have to click at sign in to log in into your account if you have one. But if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at sign up for free to create an account. So once you did one of those options, of course, if you have a Google account already linked into your browser, you will be able to do those two options simply, and that will prevent you from doing all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. So once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen, and of course from here you'll be able to choose some of their provided fully free templates by Google Docs, or you can just go and start a blank document, or you can just go and open some of recent documents, which is I'm gonna do, which is actually here empty. So here, I would like to insert a page breaks. As you can see, I have just one page here, and I would like to add some pages. So of course, if I want to do that, I'm just going to click add insert, and here I'm just going to go down until this break. And as you can see here, we'll have this page break, we'll have this section break, which is the next page, and we have this section break again, which is continuous. So here, if I select a section break or a section break again, those will gonna just insert a new page, and this will do the same. So just choose whatever of those, and as you can see, now we'll have two pages. If you want to delete the second one, make sure to delete whatever in this page, and make sure just to hit your backspace or Ctrl Z, which is gonna just undo your changes. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.